Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create a print-on-demand Etsy store. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be discussing on how you will be able to create a print-on-demand store. Now, there are two platforms that are really great for print-on-demand, and both of them can be considered as drop shipping platforms as well. Now, the first platform that we have over here is called Printify, and the second platform is called Printful. Now, both of these platforms are fairly similar, but also has some big difference from one another. Both of them will allow you to connect to Etsy. Of course, that's the most important part. To be able to connect your Etsy with Printify, you're simply going to select this My New Store over here on the left side. Scroll down a bit. Click on either Manage My Stores or Add a New Store. If you click on Add a New Store, you will be able to see here on this Let's Connect Your Store area, the Etsy option over here. Scrolling down, as you can see, Etsy is considered easy to connect with, or connecting with Etsy is an easy way to start earning money because it is easy to set up and start selling. There's a large audience and traffic, and there's low listing fees. And over here in Printful, to be able to connect it, you're simply going to look over here on the bottom left. You're going to click on this plus icon, and in this area, you will be able to be an owner or like become a store owner by start selling online by clicking on start selling. You will be able to connect it to different platforms, different e-commerce platforms. It's not limited to Etsy. Same thing with Printify, it's not limited to Etsy. And you can simply click on choose platform over here, and you can simply select Etsy over here. As you can see, a creative marketplace with over 80 million active buyers worldwide. So when you connect it, or if you click on connect, same thing with Printify, it will simply ask you to log into your Etsy account, and you will be able to connect your Etsy store with your Printful or Printify. Now, the process in Printify, let's start with Printify first, is you're simply after connecting it, you can simply go and click on My Products, and then you could publish it to one of the stores that you have connected. As you can see, you can simply click on Connect a Store over here. To be able to create a product to sell in Printify, you're simply going to click on the catalog option, and then you can choose from the category of the products that you want to sell. For example, you would like to sell some accessories, you can click this, and then you can click on See All so that we can see all the options that we have. As you can see, we will be able to create products from face masks, phone cases, bags, socks, underwear, hats, baby accessories, mouse pads, pets, and many other type of product. So let's select a product that we would like to create a design on. For example, we would like to create a design on socks. If you select on a specific type of product or category, you will be able to see here there are multiple sellers of that type of product, and each of them has a unique product. For example, this one is a bit shorter than this one. Although for this, all of these items over here, you are able to create a design for the entire thing. But usually, for example, we could look at some t-shirts. You will be able to see that this one only has or only will allow you to create a design in the middle, but some of it will allow you to create a design for the entire thing. Each item has a different area. For example, this one, it's like a polo, and you will be able to add like an entire thing to it, as you can see here. But this one, this will only allow you to put a design in front. So after selecting the product that you would like to sell a product on, simply select that, and you have your print choice, your Printify provider or your print providers. You can choose from different options over here. Click on Start Designing, and you will be able to start designing or start creating a design for your product, as you can see here. So you have the option to add a design from the front and back side. You can see you could add designs from your device, an AI generator, custom text, Shutterstock, Dropbox, Google Drive, or even hire someone from Fiverr to create you a professional design. You can also check out your library over here, which would allow you to see or use the design that you have uploaded previously before. For example, you have here a design that I've created back then. We have this image. So simply select the image that you want to add. Then over here, you will be able to add it into your design, as you can see here. Then you could go back to the back side as well. Then you could add another design from your library if you want. There we go. Very simple. You will be able to put layering or add multiple designs in one area. So do the same process, add design, select the design that you want. For example, I could go with this one. There we go. Then you can simply position where you want it to be. And this basically allows you to create or layering for the design that you have. Then you can also click on preview, which would allow you to preview it on a person or like a mock-up. For example, you have a person positioning here or like modeling for the product that you have. You're going to have to give it a few seconds to load because it's of course putting your design on a model. So simply wait for a few seconds. There we go. Now we have our model over here. Then you can change your mock-up color mode to realistic or bright and colorful over here. So simply click on save product and you will be able to save the product and proceed to upload it to your Etsy store. The process in Printful is very similar. You can simply go to product catalog over here, and then you can simply choose from the products that you have, that or rather the different products that you are able to choose from. Similarly with Printify, over here in Printify, to be able to publish the specific product that you have created, you can simply click on publish or connect a store over here. In Printful, let's wait for this one to load so that we could add or create our product, of course, so that we could demonstrate it as well. But the process is very similar. The process is fairly the same. For example, here, create new order, create your basic order over here. We will be able to select from multiple types of product. Similarly with Printify, you can create products from accessories, clothing, all of those stuff that you have created or will be able to create in Printify. Both of them are really great platform, and I guess the only thing that would make you choose between one of them is the preference or like how the software works or how the website works. So it's completely up to you. Now it's a bit laggy for our Printful over here, but there we go. You can simply select the product that you want to add. It's taking a while to load, but the process is fairly the same. You will be able to do the same process where you add the design and then simply choose the color, all of the stuff. The process is the same with Printify. So that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to create a print-on-demand shop with Etsy. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.